Over the last few months, I've had several people in different places ask me about the animal characters on the farm. They didn't call them characters, I'm calling them characters. But who are the animals on the farm? In this video, that's all I'm doing. I'm going to introduce you to a bunch of the animal characters on the Daddykirbs Farm.
go, Callie.
Well, I appreciate you hanging out with me as I shared those characters on the farm. I know it wasn't all of them, but it was a good selection of a lot of the characters that we have here on the farm. I do have another smaller YouTube channel called Daddykirbs Farm Animals. I do hope to be uploading more there this year. You're welcome to go over there, subscribe to that, or not. You can just hang out with me here if you like. Let me know in the comments below which character that I showed in this video tonight that you thought was the most fun or the most adorable, and share with me a little reason why. That's all for now. I gotta get Callie out of the feed can. I'll talk to you guys soon.